Do you struggle to style your natural hair at home by yourself? If yes, then this is the right place for you. In this channel, we show you how you can style your own natural hair by yourself in a simple way without stress. Most of the people find it difficult to style their own hair by themselves, so whenever they want to make their hair, they rush to the salon. Let me tell you, you don't have to always go to the salon because making your own hair by yourself is the fun part of having your own natural hair. Just imagine you going to the salon and somebody is there dragging your hair or telling a hairdresser this is the style I want, and she is making it the way you don't want it, whereas you can sit down in your own house and braid it the way you want it, feeling happy with yourself, just looking at yourself in the mirror, just cutting it the way you want it without anybody having to drag your hair in a way you don't want. So in this channel, this is what we do. We show you how you can make your own hair without stress, without pain, like in a fun way. Like this is a simple cornrow I'm making for myself. Like at this time is 12 a.m. in the morning. I was busy by the day. I couldn't make my hair in the afternoon, so I decided to make it around 12 a.m. Just imagine if I was to go to the salon. Who is going to answer me at this time? Nobody, right? Even if they were going to plait me, they were going to charge me extra because of the hour I'm coming to make my hair or braid my hair. But no, I said, oh, this is a simple thing. This is the fun thing of life. Like some people think natural hair is stressful. Natural hair is not stressful. Natural hair is the most precious thing that could ever happen to you. And meanwhile, I don't really attach my hair like that because of the itching. And don't also forget that when you go to the salon, some people's hand actually itch, like they itch a lot. I am saying this out of experience. Like I can remember when I used to braid my hair at the salon, my hair normally itches me like mad. Like I could not carry my hair for a week. I will make my hair like 2-3 days out. At a point I have to take it off. I was thinking I was having a chronic dandruff without knowing that the person who was plaiting my hair at the salon was actually the reason why I was having that chronic itching. Do you know that I have to use vinegar, camphor to stop the itching? But despite all the things I was using, like the itching was increasing every day. So that was the reason when I come to myself, I was like, no, this has to stop. I can't go to the salon and waste my money, come back the first day, second day, third day and take the hair off. So I decided, okay, let me just make the hair anyhow. Mind you, I wasn't making it right because it was not something I was used to. It was something I have to learn to make myself feel comfortable. So at the course of making that hair, just anyhow hair, I developed the habit of wanting it to look good. If you have watched to this point and this look like what you will be interested on, don't forget to subscribe so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.